welcome. I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Severe weather returns to the central US this week ahead of the summer solstice. A series of pieces of energy are setting the stage for multiple days of severe weather across the north-central US early this week in a region that has largely missed out on enhanced rainfall. According to the Fox Forecast Center, most thunderstorms will occur along frontal boundaries, which will only slightly shift daily, setting up a pattern for persistent rain. Depending on day's activity, cities such as Minneapolis in Minnesota, Omaha in Nebraska, Des Moines in Iowa, and Kansas City in Missouri find themselves in an elevated thunderstorm risk zone. On Monday, NOAA's Storm Prediction Center highlighted an area across Minnesota with a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe thunderstorms. This area includes much of southern Minnesota, including Minneapolis, St. Paul and Bloomington. A lesser level 2 out of 5 risk is posted for other parts of Minnesota, South Dakota, Iowa and Wisconsin. Any thunderstorm can be dangerous with cloud-to-ground lightning and heavy rainfall. But in strongest thunderstorms, damaging wind gusts and large hail will be possible. Forecasters have not ruled out a tornado threat, but the tornadic element is not considered as substantial as it would be in supercells with ample wind shear. June and July are typically when the northern plains and upper Midwest experience their most adverse weather from thunderstorms. According to NOAA's Storm Prediction Center, more than 200 tornadoes form every year during the first month of meteorological summer, with many impacting Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, and Nebraska. In addition to tornadoes, the country annually sees around 3,100 reports of damaging winds, which can occur in nearly any state in the lower 48. Until a recent pattern shift, communities across the southern tier of the country had been subject to non-stop rounds of severe weather, which was unusual considering the time of the year. Alongside bouts of severe weather, many areas also reported flooding, which in some cases in Oklahoma and Texas occurred as drivers were caught off guard in their vehicles. Fortunately, the Fox Forecast Center does not believe the current unsettled pattern will lead to widespread flooding concerns, as the thunderstorm's forward momentum will be rather quick and more than two-thirds of the region is considered unusually dry. The general pattern could feature mesoscale convective systems, MCS, which can travel hundreds of miles across the northern tier of the country. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.